Hey everybody, this is Mo Trader here, and today we're gonna talk about scanning. I get a lot of questions saying, "How do I scan? Where do you get your stocks? How do I find stocks that moving?" All these questions. So today I'm gonna tell you my secret tool. My secret tool is Finviz, guys. It's a free tool. www.finviz.com. It will bring you to this page. Uh, Honestly, this is if you're doing your watch list at night, this is what you're looking for. This is everything you need. It's right here in this site. Today I'm gonna walk you through it, and maybe you will find what you're looking for. At first, here we have the top charts. We have the Dow, we have the Nasdaq, we have the S&P 500, the markets, and then we have this box right here where it says ticker. As soon as you put your mouse on it, the chart will pop out, so you will have like a quick view of what's going on in that chart. And if you want to trade it, this is the price. This is the last uh, buy or sell or tick, if you want, of that previous day. Now at this point, today is the 15th. The market closed on the 12th, so this information is based on Friday the 12th of January. You can see the gain percentage here, and these are the losers for the day. You can see the loser is 37% down at EQB, and you can see how the chart looks like. And then we have the volume here, and you can see if the volume is part of your criteria. You can see if, okay, maybe this ticker is one of the tickers that I want to watch tomorrow or today or something. You can see top losers, whatever. Now you can actually click those top gainers to open up all the charts. So if we click there, you can see the ticker, the information about the company, the news right there, and obviously advertisement. You can see ticker right here again. This is the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and so on. So this is one way to find out like top gainers if you're looking for them. A new high, which is gonna be if you click on it, you can see this is the stock never been this high before. You can see how it went. So these are one of the things that I look for. Obviously with volume. Now down here you will have some tickers with signals, and these signals either trending with support, trending with resistance, horizontal, wedge up, wedge down, triangle. So if you click on any of those, which is I just did, you can see all of them are in a wedge trending up. So you can base your trades off of these actually Finviz lines, if you will. If you wait for your setup, you will see how everything plays out here. Now if we go back and let's say channel multi-bottom, let's see something that's bottoming here. You can see this thing bottom multiple times, this bottom multiple times, and this is electronically does it for you, so you can actually take advantage of that. Next one would be the news. Obviously you get the news, you get the blogs there. Scanner, I'll just pass on it really quick right now. Maps. Now maps shows you the sector, and it shows you the companies in that sector. At this point is the S&P 500, and you can see the technology sector. We have internet information services or providers. You can see Google, Facebook, Yahoo, and then all the small ones. Now the good thing about it is when you put your mouse right there, you can see how each company is trading versus the other ones in this little window that pops out. You can see how Google is trending, you can see how Facebook is trending, you can see how Trip, for example, trending comparing to the leader. All these sectors here, you can see that the red it is, it's more than 3% down, and then the greenish is more than 3%. So you can see this company is 9%. This company right there is 3.14% up on the day, versus these natural ones, which is just between -1 and 1. You can see PFE, it's grayish, darkish color there. So you can see each one of those. we don't use the other one, so let's just go to the scanner here. So the scanner, you have derivative, fundamental, technical, or all. I usually click all.
General.
Oops. I usually click all here just to give me all this information here that I can pick from. For example, if you want volume to be over 1 million shares, you can just go current volume over 1 million and it will filter that for you. If you go to price, let's say under 10 bucks, it will filter that for you. The way I like to see my charts actually when I go to basic here. If you click on basic, you will see the information about the company, what industry it is, what's the country. You can see the average volume that trades. You can see all the information here that it kind of gives you an idea about what you want to watch. Volume 25 right there, close, open. You can see the chart nice and big right there. So you can see the percentage and the actual dollar amount that went up. And you can also sort these by percentage. If you go to the overview and then you click change twice, it will give you the biggest percentage first. So you go back to basic here. You can see this one is up 77% plus on 1.4 million shares. And this is a multimedia and graphics software. You can see SGRP 24.9 million. It's up 74 cents. 50, almost 60% up on the day. So this way you can have an idea how to scan for your stocks the next day based on what you're looking for. Let's say over 10 bucks. And performance, let's say today's up, and let's say float is under 5%. So that now at this point is going to give me a stock that has a current volume of 1 million with under 5% of short float, and performance today, that means it's up on the day, and the price should be over 10 bucks. You can see I'm getting 13, 135, 100 bucks, and all these other stocks. So this is the way I scan my stocks. I use Finviz. I use this scanner. I have criteria that I look for exactly in the stock, and you can do the same thing for you, and you can use all these in your advantage. For example, people use RSI. They want to know what stock it's overbought, oversold, gaps. People look for gap ups and gaps down. You can see 1%, 2%, 3%, all the way to 20 here. You can see, you can select the country that you want the stock for. You can filter out the exchange if you want NASDAQ, Amex, New York, or any of them. This is the way I use it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, as usual, let me know in the comment below, and I'll talk to you later.